Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith in the Black Quantity VTF here at T3 Live with this week's market wrap-up. And as I've been saying for a while, when you see these guys on Twitter or whatever being like, my line in the sand for the S&P is like, look, it's doing nothing. Right? It's slowly walking up, and that's fine. But what we know, we got a couple weeks, we're going inside on the quarter. All right, couldn't take out the last quarter's highs or lows. Are we green? Yes. But lines in the sand? No. So if you take a look at the daily here, doing nothing, and we go inside day to day, right? So the question is, when come Monday, we take this out, right? What's the most recent highs or lows? That or down into there? How are we going to take out either of that, right? Or are we just going to sit here and go inside quarter? But we have an inside day. QQQ got them fingers a little higher and get up into there, so a little better because you can see on the monthly at least here taking out in the highs, and the small cappers we know much higher, but then drying up here again. All right, so broader average is doing a whole bunch of nothing. If anything, the diamonds were the weaker, right? Dow Jones dropping in like this. And so one of the things when we know that the Dow Jones is weaker, right, is that we can go look at some of the setups in there, right? And so if we take a look at CAT, one of the things we look for is the 3-2 setup because it's so powerful, all right? What that means is range expansion of range expansion, right? So if we take a look at CAT, scenario 3, strong enough to take out the highs and the lows, which means the participants are aggressive. They're willing to pay up and sell down. 3, and then a 2 is taking out one side. You got the 3-2 down out of that this week. So 148.43 below that, boom, and there you go. You got about $9 out, $8-9 out of that, which is nice. Because you just want to be able to look for that. So a lot of guys talk about swing trading with using daily charts. You want to go to at least a weekly, right? And if not longer, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. But some of the nicer moves on this, talking about the 3-2, and that's Q's yesterday, had that outside 30, and this was awesome. Right here, you see that, the 3-2, and everything got the smackdown right there. It was great. Tesla, 3-2 down right there, and that was 357. About $6 in a half an hour, and so there's a bunch of analog devices, I believe, and just a whole bunch of them. It's called a simultaneous break when they all do that at the same time. The main strength has been the fangers. They talk about the fangers, and that's no surprise because we had Facebook, and when you look at the monthly chart, remember, when you're looking at swings and stuff like that, you want to be looking at least a weekly chart. But we had the inside here. And then as it comes up in here and goes 2, 1 is an inside bar, 2 is takes out one side, 2. And it comes up into here. For magnitude, we're looking to take this out right here because this is an outside bar fractal broadening formation. So that's how you gauge magnitude. Once you get back into here and you go 1, 2 into here and you get to here, yeah, we're looking to take that out if this goes 2, which we did. All right, so no surprise there. And Amazon on the monthly is an outside, inside, up. 3, 1, 2, an inside bar to the upside, so no surprise there either. Another thing you want to be able to do, and I'll be talking about this in New York in October, hopefully you can all make it to the Trader Summit, is being able to see time frames that aren't presented to you by software. Don't be a slave to that, right? And so this right here, all right, is the second quarter, right here. And so you can see we're coming up into this. We want to take a look at these 4, right? So anytime you reclaim into a range and take this stuff out, if you look at these 4 months and these 4 months, right, this is a 4-month outside bar of all this, right? And I'll be talking about that in New York. It's important to be able to train your mind to see that stuff because that way you can really increase the amount of signals that you have at any given day at any given time. Anyway, let's get to SMH. Now, SMH, we're looking for a potential break on the inside week. We got it, right? It wasn't a total smackdown, but you got the inside bar. And it comes to the downside, and you had Xilinx, inside weak and down, Microchip, nice off the top of the try here, like so, like there, top of the broadening formation, boom, and down. And then you just go to a 15-minute here, and you can see how it goes 2 down, 2 up, right? Take out one side of the range, down, up. This tells you had corrective activity, and you hit it right here, right? Because there's only 3 ways, and this is really important to understand. When people talk, I'm a reversal trader, are you? There's only 3 ways price can reverse, okay? And that is 2, 1, 2, all right? 2 to the upside, inside bar, back down. Green, inside, red. That's one type of way it can price can reverse, right? Or it can do it in one bar on those Qs30. A 2 to the upside that then goes 3, right? Or 2-2, which is up, then down, a la FedEx here. 2 up, and then the next 2 takes it down. That's the only way price can reverse. So once you understand that, you know how to look for a reversal, because that's the only possible way that things can reverse. And that's when you can get some of those good swings, like DBX here on the monthly does this. The monthly goes inside month and up, right? So on the daily, this monthly break here was 32.38, right? So as soon as it start running here, that's month and upper, right? So you can grab it as soon as it breaks. You take it all the way up here, and then how can it reverse? The 2-1-2 reversal here, right, at 38.50. And we use time frame continuity, right? At that point, the daily's red, the 60's red, and the weekly, because it's a new week, the new weekly opening is here if you're going to take that weekly back red, and that was at 33.60, all right? 33.60. So once you get that daily break in here, then you go looking after for that weekly reversal as well, right, where it changes the continuity. So real nice there. FedEx, like I said, for a good swing, inside day. So you can use the dailies to time the weeklies. See that? Outside, inside day, 3-1-2, just like Amazon is on a monthly, to the downside, and goes 2-2. Reversal on the weekly here below 260. Right? There's $19. Not bad. Wynn Resorts. If you go to the monthly, you're going to see the same thing here. What does a reversal look like? A reversal looks like 2 up, 2 back down the other way. Here, for your monthly swing below 187. $17 there so far. Then we can look at combinations like I've talked about in my weekend videos all the time. AERI, the 1-2-2 rev strat. So what that means is, one is a consolidation. They attempted to take the direction out of there and failed and come back and reverse the equilibrium of 1. Right? This thing went rev strat on the month, 52.86, 70.45. Then you can look for reconfirmation on the weekly. Inside week, what does a continuation looks like? It'll either a 2-2-2 or 2-1-2 in the same direction. So the 1 can either be the reversal back down or the continuation rest. Up, sideways measured move. You get more of this stuff at 65.46 and you go to 70. Talked about DIN last week. Yeah, there you go. Their weekly swing there. Going 2 back up here, taking this up, right? Above 66. 66.39, come $80 in 2 weeks, which is real nice. Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza, you can see here the 3-2 week right there. Above 257, now 292 with the inside month. The 2-1-2 continuation. Above 254.22. Not bad. And if you look at this week to start it off, the hammer counter shooter. All right. The 2-2-2 continuation off the hammer. Boom. 274.42. Come 292.39. Blue today. The 2-2 reversal. 2 up, 2 down. And that blue took that out at 180.65. Goes out at 168.90. Because one of the things you want to look for is coming back through previous ranges are more often the stronger moves. Because if you look at the 60, anybody long gets long versus pivots. You know those guys? Right, so they can be long against, this is where you break out the pivot machine gun. Boom, take them all out, right? Which it did on that reversal. It was very nice. And then finally Tesla did it today again, the 3-2 day. And that was really nice. 3-2 day, nice and clean, right out the chute. See that? 3-2 day down, outside 3, 2 down. below 346.27, we'll take $13 out of that too on a cheapo option day, which you can get the cheap options because it's Friday. All right, so a little bit more in depth there, but important stuff. When you say reversal, you say 2-1-2, 2-2, or 3, and that's it. All right, hope that helps. Hope everybody had a great week and has an even better weekend. I'm Rob Smithy in the Black Quantage VTF here at T3Live.com. Have a great weekend.